Good morning. Today's screencast will show you the difference between content and assignments pages. When you click on content, you'll be taken to all of the modules that make up the course. Now if you notice, you have Unit 1, Activity 2, Content, Unit 1, Activity 2, Assignment. For the content section, this is where you'll read some notes, maybe partake in some activities, participate in discussion, and then at the very bottom of each page you'll see an assignment drop box. You click the link and it takes you there. This is where you will find your learning goals, success criteria, and then instructions on what to do for the assignment, where to post the assignment, and then a general rubric for you to follow to make sure you're on the right track. I hope this helps.